Hi everyone, I am JK as usual, the CEO of Hair Crown UG. I love you, and this is a video I want to share to you. It's so beautiful. It's about boho curly braids. Of course, they are knotless. You're gonna love this. Just stick with me to the end of this video because I want you to know the proper fitting in of braids when you are braiding braids, and of course when you are fitting in curls. This is the proper way. Please watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video to your friends, family, to people who love to learn hair. This video is for you.